Good morning. Now we are going to discuss important commodity exchanges in India. First one is Multi Commodity Exchange of India Limited, MCX. MCX is an independent commodity exchange in India. It was established in the year 2003 and it is based in Mumbai. It is India's largest commodity derivatives exchange. MCS offers options trading in different commodities in gold and futures trading in non-ferrous metals, bullion, energy, and a number of agricultural commodities. So MCS offers option trading not only in gold and futures trading in non-ferrous metal, bullion, energy, and a number of agriculture commodities. Then what are the commodities traded in MCX? First one, metal. Includes aluminum, copper, lead, nickel, zinc, etc. Then bullion. Gold, gold mini, gold Chinia, gold petal New Delhi, gold global, silver, silver mini, silver micro, silver 1000, etc. Then agro commodities, cardamom, cotton, crude palm oil, kapas, mentha oil, castor seeds, RBD, palmolin, black pepper, etc. And energy, crude oil, natural gas. Next one is National Commodity Derivatives Exchange Limited, NCDEX. Is a leading agricultural commodity exchange in India with a market share of 78% in the agriculture commodity segments based on average daily turnover by value for the 6 month period ended September 30th, 2019. So it is the leading agriculture commodity exchange in India with a market share of 78% in agriculture commodity segments. And this percentage is based on average daily turnover by value for 6 month period ended September 30th, 2019 from April 1st to September 30th. The exchange has maintained its leadership position since 2005 in the agriculture commodity derivatives market. The exchange was incorporated as a public limited company on April 23, 2003 and commenced its business on May 9, 2003. The exchange was registered with the Forward Markets Commission as a recognized association under the Forward Contracts Regulation Act 1952. NCDX is regulated by SEBI. NCDS is subject to various laws of the land like the Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956, Companies Act, Securities Contract Regulation, Stock Exchanges and Clearing Corporations, Regulations, SEBI, Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements Regulations, Stamp Act, Contract Act, and various other legislations in India. So NCDEX is subjected to various laws in India. NCDEX headquarters are located in Mumbai and offers facility to its members from the centers located throughout India. Headquarters is Mumbai, but it offers its facilities to its members from centers located throughout India. Next one is National Multi Commodity Exchange, NMCE. The NMCE merged with the Indian Commodity Exchange, ICEX, in 2017. The combined exchange is India's third largest commodities market, offering contracts on oil and oilseeds, coffee, rubber and spices, ranked behind the Multi Commodity Exchange MCX and National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange NCDEX. So NMCE merged with Indian Commodity Exchange in 2017. The combined exchange is India's third largest commodities market after MCX and NCDEX. The National Multi-Commodity Exchange of India Limited was launched on November 26, 2002 as India's first online demutualized commodity exchange by a group of Indian commodity-based corporations and public agencies, and listed its first contracts on 24 commodities in November 2002. As of 2016, NMCE listed futures contracts on a total of 13 different commodities ranging from oil and oilseeds to rubber, raw jute, coffee, chana, pepper, and cardamom. NMCE and ICEX agreed to merge in July 2017 and were to close the deal by December 2017. At the time of the merger, the NMCE's net worth was Rs 76 crore, while ICEX net worth was Rs 100 crore. ICEX was given regulatory approval in July 2017 to restart its operations. Indian Commodity Exchange Limited ICEX. Indian Commodity Exchange Limited is SEBI regulated online commodity derivative exchange. Headquartered at Mumbai, the exchange provides nationwide trading platform through its appointed brokers. Some of prominent shareholders are MMTC Limited, Central Warehousing Corporation, Indian Potash Limited, Punjab National Bank, IDFC Bank Limited, Gujarat Agro Industries Corporation, Reliance Exchange Next Limited, Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited, Gujarat State Agriculture Marketing Board, NAFED, and India Bulls Housing Finance Limited. The exchange launched world's first ever diamond derivatives contracts. ICEX aims to provide futures trading products in India's all economically relevant commodity. Now we are going to discuss important international commodity exchanges. A number of commodity exchanges exist in the world. Commodity futures exchanges serve a very important role in establishing global benchmark prices for crucial commodities such as crude oil, gold, copper, coffee, etc. The traders and speculators can earn profits out of the fluctuations in the price levels of these commodities. The two main commodity exchanges in US are the Chicago Mercantile Exchange CME Group and New York Mercantile Exchange NYMEX, which is also a part of CME. So CME Group is the world's leading and most diverse derivative marketplace, handling roughly about 3 billion contracts annually. In Europe, the well-known and a major commodity exchange is the Intercontinental Exchange ICE, HIKE CME. ICE is also an electronic commodity exchange with no physical trading floors. So ICE has no physical trading floor, only electronic trading is allowed in ICE. The only physical trading exchange in Europe is London Metal Exchange. This is the world's center for trading of industrial metals. More than 75% of all non-ferrous metal futures are traded here. The major commodity exchanges are first one, London Metal Exchange LME, Europe. It is a future exchange with a large market for options in metals. It is considered as a world's major market for non-ferrous metals. Climax Netherlands Europe. This is an exchange for energy contracts and environmental commodities. Chicago Mercantile Exchange CME USA. It's a derivative and commodity market. It offers a range of futures and option contracts. Fourth one, New York Mercantile Exchange USA. It is the largest commodity futures exchange in the world in physical terms. Fifth one, Dubai Mercantile Exchange Asia. This is the first energy futures exchange for the Middle East. The main trade is the Oman Oil Futures contract. Senhua Commodity Exchange Asia. This is the futures exchange in commodities like agriculture and chemicals located in China. Seventh one, Multi-Commodity Exchange that we already discussed in Asia. This is an independent commodity exchange based in Mumbai. Eighth one, Tokyo Commodity Exchange. It is also located in Asia. It is a non-profit organization. It regulates option and future contracts of all commodities. Ninth one, Singapore Exchange Limited, Asia. It offers equity index futures and options, interest rates options. And 10th one, Australian Securities Exchange, Australia. It's an electronic exchange for trading in various commodities. Okay, thank you.